Hi,
Yes?
I am Joel, Controller General of Patent, Intellectual Property Rights. I want to meet Mr. Sayyed for a legal inquiry.
Yeah, 1 minute, please. Hello?
So, how did it all start?
An idea. It just changed everything.
Idea. Interesting.
I still remember that one line my friend told me. With zero investment, you can only fuck. So,
We?
Yeah, there are 3 of us.
3 of us.
These in South Africa played an absolute thriller, and now India and Pakistan got together. Two unlikely, unpredictable to contest this final. This is how they lined up.
Srini!
That's turned out to represent their country. And it meant that Yusuf Pathan, who hadn't played a game for India in any form, suddenly got thrown in. And Dhoni and Rohit Sharma. Pakistan, Mohammad Hafiz and Imran Nazir batting all the way down.
What's up, man?
Stuck up with automation, which had to be done before FPR.
Why do you do automation here?
God only knows.
Does this reduce your work?
Nah. They just double our work with so-called incremental pay.
I think our time is more valuable than money.
Why the hell do we work, guys? Just for money, right?
Yeah.
But for our caliber, it's not rightly made.
I don't get you.
Why don't we go for startup then?
You mean like quitting this job?
No,
Seriously, do we have bank balance for that?
no.
Do you think we are fools with zero balance? We can only fuck.
Yes, I do. hey, I work as a freelancer, creating website, and I make decent money out of that.
Yeah, trending is e-commerce. But what do we have to sell? Nothing, right?
If we have nothing to sell, then why don't we sell our ideas?
Ideas? Everyone has got ideas, right?
Do you mean consulting for business?
Whatever it may be, we make site and start advertising it.
Yeah, let's brand it as idea pools and run by fools.
It's up to you, man. Take up the public pulse and name it as you wish. Is there any response to our site, dude? Did it kicked off with any interesting client?
Yeah, it just got pissed off.
Not even one.
One guy asked for an idea for Vivan short film contest.
Short film? Bullshit. Who watches such a crap, man?
I do.
Beginning is always hard, but it is funny in your case.
Life is all about fun, isn't it?
Philosophical. Tell me about your success.
I don't think so it's success. Instead, we made few of our clients happy with their business. After a few setbacks, I think our first hit was an anonymous call from a telecom industry. One minute, guys.
What happened, guys?
We have a client with time bound. It is a telecom industry. Maybe they are testing our potential.
What if they prank us? By the way, we don't have anything to lose, just ideas.
Just ideas?
They want us to give an idea to generate sudden revenue.
Sudden, huh?
Sudden?
You fools! Are we running a drama school here? Giving expression for all kinds of stuff.
Drama? What does drama do?
Drama? Drama sucks. It's full of emotions and stuffs.
But apart from that, it generates revenue out of people's ignorance.
What's your point?
Let's just deduct 2 rupees from all the customers.
Seriously. Then?
Later, whoever calls, we'll tell them there's been some value initiated in their mobile. Within 10 minutes, we'll credit them. Who doesn't, that's a revenue.
That's a nice idea. I will write away mail them.
Seriously?
With that one idea, we earned 15% of our total revenue. Then we had few phenomenal milestones. Branding, retail sales, etc., etc.
You are now here for the same, the retail sales, the decoy effect. Do you fools know it is already patented?
I studied automobile. I had no idea.
And you fools ran this idea pool. Then how the hell you did this?
With ideas, I mean, I theoretically have no knowledge of what decoy is, but I like watching movies and eating popcorn.
What are you saying?
I just thought, why the fuck they had small when mostly opt for medium? It's pre-planned what the customer has to choose. I just reversed the strategy for my client. Now, what you call as some oi.
It's decoy.
Yeah, it was an accident. My client wanted to sell a product of $50, which customers find it hard to buy. We suggested him to add a product of $75 at an higher end. Now, the customers buy that product. They think it's a reasonable price. The idea worked. It was a hit.
Fantastic. But you know, it's already a hit, and that is why it is patented.
Maybe. Anyways, I don't have time to read your patent libraries. What's the punishment for this?
Just 5 years of imprisonment and lump sum amount of money is penalty. And if the patent owners sue your legal entity, then I can come and give you guys a visit in prison once in a month for the rest of my life. As simple as that. But I could do a favor if you agree to.
What I have to do?
Just what you were already doing. I need an idea to assist me in my case. My team is trying to catch a group of drug traffickers in the city.
Okay.
We almost tried everything, but we couldn't know how these drug traffickers are able to smuggle the drugs in and out of the city. If you are a drug dealer, what will be your idea to commute the drugs without getting caught? If you crack this one, I'll let you go free. What you say?
What is the assurance?
Assurance? Do you think really that you have a choice? Just take a leap of faith. Now.
Okay. Give me a few minutes.
Fair enough.
You know what is a 4-stroke engine?
Yes?
Do you know how it works?
No.
Well, 4-stroke engine can also run on 2 cylinders. So, it's simple. You can set up a hub of mechanic shops around the city and transport drugs by reboring into 1 cylinder.
Will it work?
Try it and see it yourself.
What happened?
Where were you?
An idea saved us, guys.
What idea? Excuse me? Paper, please. Hey, is this the guy to whom you gave idea, right? He got arrested. We are totally screwed. What will happen now?
We are totally gone
Hey,
because
hey,
of you.
He's coming. Cop is coming. Look, guys.
Shit.
Are you guys of three running idea pool?
It's not 3, it's 4 of us.
Huh?
What were you saying about the email thing?
Yeah, we got an anonymous email. People asking us for an idea. Transfer goods inside outside the city without the knowledge of higher officials.
These guys can be the one whom we are looking for.
What shall we do now?
If they are real smugglers, they will come for you again. If they approach you again, give them an idea. Let me know.